Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy real estate industries marketing, complete guide step by step clearly.
Begin by defining your target audience. Research the specific needs and preferences of your audience. Develop a clear marketing strategy that outlines your goals. Identify the unique selling points of your real estate offerings. Create a professional website that showcases your listings. Ensure the website is user-friendly and mobile responsive. Utilize high-quality images and virtual tours of properties. Implement search engine optimization techniques to enhance visibility. Set up social media accounts on platforms relevant to real estate. Craft engaging content to share on social media to attract followers. Leverage paid advertising options to reach a broader audience. Consider launching email marketing campaigns to nurture leads. Develop informative blog posts that showcase industry knowledge. Collaborate with local businesses for cross-promotional opportunities. Attend real estate expos and networking events to build connections. Create video content highlighting properties and neighborhood features. Host webinars or live Q&A sessions to engage potential clients. Track and analyze your marketing efforts using analytics tools. Adjust your strategies based on performance data to optimize results. Build strong relationships with your clients for future referrals. Stay updated on industry trends to keep your marketing relevant. Regularly update your marketing materials to reflect current offerings. Follow up with leads promptly to maintain their interest. Keep refining your tactics based on feedback and market changes. Implement a customer relationship management system to streamline processes. Ensure transparency in your marketing messages to build trust. Focus on creating a strong brand presence in your local market. Consider creating promotional materials like brochures and flyers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.